Hello world, I am Abdullah Al Nafiu and this is my CS50. First of all, I am taking this course for a better me from a top rated university in the world like you, Harvard University. Besides, I am studying in computer science and engineering from the largest university of Bangladesh called National University of Bangladesh. You might thinking why I am taking this course. Mainly I want to explore all the technologies as a good engineer. Present time I have several skills, mainly JavaScript, Node.js, GitHub as a full stack developer or mono stack developer. Besides, I have a part-time hobby. This hobby can call problem solving using C++. Solved multiple problems in multiple jars like Codeforces, CodeChef, Pizzas, UVA, many websites like Online Hub. And this is my introduction video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.